Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum, English Grade 5, Quarter 1, Lesson 7. Our topic for today is about sentence construction, tone, and mood in writing. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning competencies and objectives. Compose appropriate sentences for clarity and coherence. First, identify and use collective, concrete, and abstract nouns and demonstrative pronouns in sentences while ensuring subject-verb agreement. Second, differentiate between linking, helping, and transitive verbs. Third, construct sentences in present progressive tense. Fourth, arrange series of adjectives into logical sequence of ideas. Fifth, incorporate adverb of manner into sentences to describe actions with greater detail. Sixth, recognize the basic structure of compound complex sentences. Seventh, compose compound sentences using coordinating conjunctions. Learning competency number 2. Use tone and mood appropriately for one's purpose, context, and target audience. Formal. First, recognize and differentiate tone and mood in writing. Second, identify the tone and mood of given passages. Day 2, subtopic number 2, kinds of verbs, helping, linking, and transitive verbs. Let's talk about 3 types of verbs. First, helping verbs. Verbs that come before the main verb and help to express tense, mood, or voice. Example number 1. Andres is reading Noli Me Tangere. Is helping verb plus the main verb reading. Example number 2. Tata Celo will visit Bulacan next week. Will is the helping verb plus the main verb visit. Number 3. Do you want coffee? Do is the helping verb, want is the main verb. Do is a helping verb used here to form a question. Second, linking verbs. Linking verbs are not action verbs, and they do not define any action. Instead, they describe the subject rather than the action like other verbs. They define the subject or add some details about it. That means sensory verbs like appear, look, feel, smell, sound, or taste can act as linking verbs when they describe the subject. Verbs be, am, is, are, was, and were, become, and seem are always linking verbs. Example number 1. Philippines is my country. Is the linking verb. Number 2. The Katipuneros appear happy. Appear is the linking verb. Number 3. Filipinos are hospitable. Are is the linking verb. Number 4. Filipinas are beautiful. Are is the linking verb. Number 5. Jose remained calm during the trial. Remained is the linking verb. Third, transitive verbs. Verbs that require a direct object or DO to complete their meaning. Example number 1. Goyong gives a gift. Verb, gives. Goyong gives what? Gift. That is direct object. Number 2. Antonio bought a book. Bought is the verb. Antonio bought what? Answer, book. That is direct object. Number 3. Tandang Sora offered her home. Offered is the verb. Tandang Sora offered what? Answer, home. That is direct object. Number 4. They chose Rizal as our national hero. Verb, chose. They chose whom? Rizal is the answer. That is direct object. It answers the questions what and whom. Activity number 2, verb sorting game. Read each sentence and determine whether the verb in the sentence is a helping or linking verb. Suggested set of sentences. Number 1. Gabriela Silang is brave. Underlined word is. The answer, linking verb. Number 2. Kundiman sounds soothing. Underlined word, sounds. That is linking verb. Number 3. The rice cake looks yummy. Underlined word, looks. That is linking verb. Number 4. The grade 5 students have finished their homework. The underlined word, have. Answer, helping verb. Number 5. Goyong will play sepak takraw after school. The underlined word, will. Answer, helping verb. Number 6. We are going to the river bank tomorrow. Underlined word, are. That is helping verb. Number 7. Pilar, the dog has been barking all night. Underlined word, has. That is helping verb. Number 8. The sampaguita smells lovely. Underlined word, smells. That is linking verb. Number 9. Blippi feels happy today. Underlined word, feels. That is linking verb. Number 10. Andres is planning a secret meeting. Underlined word, is. That is helping verb.
And that wraps up today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in.